That was the doctor's defense to being called possibly unethical because he was giving his professional opinion. John, what do you make of him being the witness that the Heard team is choosing to go right before potentially Johnny Depp is going to take the stand? Was he effective in that way to tee up that testimony that we expect is going to come at the other side of this lunch break?
Well, I think both the witness and the attorney didn't do the best job. I mean, I really think for the early part of the cross-examination, the witness, as odd as he was, really kind of got the better of Depp's attorney. I agree with George that he should have had a more leading type cross-examination. He gave the witness way too much wiggle room to explain and to wiggle out of the points he was trying to make. I mean, quite frankly, I think on the whole ethical violation thing, he should have just shut that down. He was losing every step of the way on that. I mean, he was like the guy in the samurai movie that got cut in half. Nobody else even knew, he's the only person that knew it. But I do think that, toward the end, he cleaned it up a little bit. But I just think ultimately a lot of lawyers make that mistake. They try to fight the expert on their own territory. And that's just a difficult proposition. I just think it's hard to do that. I think it's better to kind of keep it simple. You attack his bias. He's been paid by Amber Heard, obviously, to try to give testimony favorable to her defense. You attack his qualifications. Maybe there's some training or some gaps, in his resume that you can attack. You attack that he's primarily an expert. He doesn't really practice medicine or psychiatry or treat patients. He primarily makes his living being an expert. And you bring up a few contrary theories and treatises that are contrast and different to what he's saying, and you kind of sit down. I just think it went on way too long, and I don't think that while he wasn't the best witness at the end, I don't see him scoring a whole lot of points in front of the jury with how he handled the cross-examination.